Hello there guys, this is Ace334 and today I'm going to show you how to make some plain lemonade. The first thing we're going to start with is making our simple syrup. This is kind of like the base of our lemonade. We need to pour 1.5 cups of water into our pan. We need to pour in 1/3 of a cup of sugar as well. Then we turn on the stove and set the heat setting to medium. Once you've done that, it's time to begin stirring the water and sugar together. You want to make sure that you get a good stir so the water and sugar are mixed. The reason why the sugar has to be boiled with the water is so that the sugar mixes evenly with the water. While waiting for your simple syrup to be done, you can try to flip the spoon. Okay, pretend like that didn't drop. This trick has no bearing on our recipe whatsoever, but if you manage to pull it off, it will look cool. I need to practice more. After stirring and heating for about 4 to 5 minutes, your mixture should be done. If you can, you should give your syrup a taste. If your syrup seems like it tastes a bit too sweet, good. That means it's right for your lemonade. Once our simple syrup is finished, we can move on to the lemon part of the lemonade. Start by cutting a lemon in half. This is necessary as it's much easier to juice a lemon when it has been cut. Unlike cutting onions, cutting lemons won't make you cry, nor will they say goodbye, tell a lie, or hurt you. Juice each half and then repeat. As you can see, I'm trying to squeeze every last drop I can out of these lemons. The recipe calls for 1 cup of lemon juice, which is hard to get out of only 2 lemons. This was my mistake. I found the lemons while strolling through my neighborhood. The basket I found them in had more than 2. I only picked up 2 lemons because I thought I only needed 2 lemons. Clearly I was wrong. After squeezing the life out of these lemons, I had no choice but to move on. After juicing, my hands were all sticky, meaning I needed to wash them. I suggest you wash yours too. In case you were wondering, I got my mom to move the camera from the counter to the sink for me so that it didn't get all sticky. Thank you, Mom! Now it's time to put all of our ingredients together. The ingredients don't have to be poured into the pitcher in any particular order, which is cool. First, I poured in the lemon juice. Then, I poured in the simple syrup. And finally, I added 3 cups of water. I cleared the counter. Then I gave the lemonade mixture a good shake. Due to the simple syrup, our lemonade mixture was hot. So I added some ice to cool it down. It doesn't have to be cold, but drinking warm lemonade is a little weird. You do you, I guess. Once you're done with all of that, you should be ready to pour the lemonade in a glass. Surprisingly, mine had turned out pretty well. I ended up having enough lemon juice to get a delicious lemon flavor. Hopefully yours turned out well too. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a lemony day!